Hello everyone, welcome back to NoTech. In this video, we can see how to handle the radio buttons using Selenium and C#. Let's get started. In this example, we are going to use this web page. So here, we need to select the most favorite browser radio button, and also from this section, we need to select one radio button and then we need to unselect this radio button. Let's see how to write the script for this. Open Visual Studio Code and first launch the web browser. WebDriver driver equal to new Firefox driver. We are going to use the Firefox browser. Then open the web page. driver.navigate.go to URL. And here we need to copy that web page. Copy this web page and paste here. Now we need to identify the web element. Go back to your web page. So here we need to select the most favorite browser. So I am selecting the Chrome browser as my favorite browser. So let's identify this radio button element. Now right click from this radio button and go to inspect. So this is the web element. So here we don't have ID or name locators. So we can use XPath. I will do a detailed video about XPath later. So here I will show you how to use XPath. So right click from here, go to copy. Here you can see copy XPath. So just click on this copy XPath. Now the XPath value is copied. Now we need to write the script to identify that element. Driver.find element by dot, here we need to use XPath. Then open bracket inside double quotes, paste the value which we copied now. And here we need to remove this double quotes and put a single quote. So that's the only change we need to use on the XPath value. And in the end, you need to put a semicolon. Then store this in a web element. web element favorite browser. So this is a web element variable name equal to. So now we need to click on that radio button. For that, copy this variable favorite browser dot click. Now let's run the script. Now the Chrome radio button is clicked. So let's see one more example. Now let's click Firefox radio button. So for that, right click from this Firefox radio button, go to inspect. And this is the web element. So here also we don't have ID or name. So we can copy the XPath. Right click, copy and select copy XPath. Now write driver dot find element by dot XPath, and here paste the XPath value inside double quotes, and then remove this double quotes and put a single quote, and store here also put a semicolon and store this in a web element web element. So we can give the variable name as Firefox browser equal to XPath value, and we need to click the browser. So Firefox browser dot click. Now let's run the script again. Now first the Chrome button was clicked and then the Firefox button is clicked. So if you want, you can add a delay and you can check again. To add a delay, use thread.sleep. Here we can give 5 seconds. Now let's run the script again. Now the Chrome button radio button is clicked, and after 5 seconds the Firefox radio button will be clicked. Now let's do the second example. So here we need to select this radio button and then we need to unselect this radio button. So let's see how to write this. So first identify this web element, right click, go to inspect. So here this is the web element, and here also we need to copy the XPath. Right click, copy, copy XPath, and go to your script and write driver dot find element by dot XPath, open bracket, inside double quotes, paste the XPath value and replace this double quotes with a single quote. Here put a semicolon and store this in a web element, web element, give a variable name, select city. Now first we need to click this radio button. So select city dot click. So the example we are going to do is, first we need to select this one, then we need to unselect this. So for unselecting, we are clicking the radio button again, one more time. So we can use the same select city dot click. So this one will click the radio button, select the radio button, and this one will unselect the radio button. Now let's run the script again. So that's it. Hope you understand this. If you have any clarification, please mention in the comments. Please like this video and subscribe to NoTech. Thank you.